Protecting your privacy is obviously the number one priority when it comes to social media. In this video, I'm going to show you if you can check that you've been hacked or not and how you can do something about it. If you want to check if your Instagram account has been hacked, the first thing you want to do is tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from the top right corner, you want to tap on these three lines, settings, and you want to tap on Account Center and scroll down, tap on Password and Security. And here, as you can see, it says where you're logged in. If you tap on that and choose the account you want to check, you can see the number of active sessions who have access to your Instagram account and data. As you can see, this one right now is the phone in my hand, and there are no active sessions other than this one. But if there were, as you can see, it says no logins for this account on other devices. But if there were other accounts, they would show up right here, and maybe I could select them and log out of them. And if there are other people who have access to your account, you can always come here on change password and again choose the account. And by typing in your current password, Instagram is telling you when is the last time you updated it, and entering a new password and re-entering it, you can change your password. Also, make sure this one is checked. It says log out of other devices. So that way, anyone else who might have access to your account will lose access to it because you will log out of it and you will change your password simultaneously. Obviously, you will suspect if somebody has hacked into your Instagram or not by checking your recent messages, maybe your recent interactions with other accounts like comments or reposts. But the way I just showed you, that is the ultimate way you can know if someone has hacked into your account and how you can make them leave your account. Hope this helps. And if you have anything to add to this, maybe you can leave us a comment.